Blow Up AI 2026, full beginner tutorial and setup, go viral on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Blow Up AI in 2026 to analyze your TikTok account. Find content opportunities, generate video ideas and scripts, and improve your overall content strategy. And Blow Up AI is tagged with this video, so you can check it directly while watching and see the current plans and available options. First, download Blow Up AI or open the official Blow Up platform and create your account. The service is currently available on Android, and Blow Up also directs users to its mobile app options. Once you're signed in, begin the onboarding process and connect your TikTok account. According to Blow Up, connecting TikTok allows its AI to analyze your account data and identify strengths, weaknesses, and potential growth opportunities. Before authorizing access, review the permissions you're granting and make sure you're comfortable sharing that information. After connecting your account, let Blow Up perform its profile analysis. The platform generates what it calls a virality score, along with personalized recommendations based on your profile. Instead of treating that score as a guarantee, use it as another source of feedback for improving your content. Next, move into content generation. Blow Up can suggest video ideas based on your profile and niche and generate ready-to-record scripts. Choose an idea that genuinely matches your audience, rather than automatically using every recommendation the AI provides. You can also use the video analysis feature to study content and identify potential improvements in areas such as engagement and overall performance. This can be particularly useful when you're getting views, but struggling to turn those views into stronger engagement or consistent growth. Another useful feature is optimized hashtag recommendations. Blow Up says it uses performance data to suggest hashtags relevant to your niche. Again, don't simply add every suggested hashtag. Choose the ones that accurately describe your video and audience. Blow Up also offers notifications designed around when your audience is active. You can use this information when planning your posting schedule, rather than randomly uploading at different times every day. For creators working across multiple platforms, Blow Up also advertises automatic reposting. After publishing your TikTok content, supported functionality can help redistribute videos across platforms including Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Here's a pro tip: don't ask AI to completely replace your creativity. Use Blow Up to identify patterns, hooks, ideas, and weaknesses, then add your own personality and experience. 10 creators can follow the same trend, but the creator who gives viewers a distinctive reason to keep watching has a much better chance of standing out. And remember, no AI tool can guarantee that you'll go viral. Blow Up markets itself as helping creators improve their chances through analysis and recommendations. But TikTok performance still depends on your content, audience response, consistency, competition, and the platform's recommendation systems. Also check the subscription terms before paying. Blow Up includes in-app purchases, so review the current pricing and renewal conditions shown for your account before starting a paid plan. And that's how to use Blow Up AI in 2026. Connect your TikTok account, analyze your profile, identify weaknesses, generate targeted ideas and scripts, optimize your content. And then use the resulting data to continually improve what you publish. Blow Up AI is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current plans and available options. If you found this beginner tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI content creation tool you want me to cover next.